Good morning everybody, and welcome to our second vlog here at S&B Diaries. It's a cold chilly morning and the sun's just coming up behind me, and we're visiting Chasewater Country Park. If you're lucky, we might see some deer this morning. You've got the lake there behind me, as you can see in the center of your picture. So let's go for a walk and have a wander around. Sun's come up. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning here now, on a beautiful crisp morning. It's quite a sharp frost this morning. Just gonna have a wander around. This is a wonderful place for walkers and runners. You see the sun there, and there's my shadow by those trees there. It's a beautiful morning, crisp blue sky. Got some deer here, guys, on the left. I don't know if you can see them there. I'll try and come round a bit. I don't know if you can see them there in your picture. They're just eating the grasses. It's very heathery and marshy here. The Chasewater Reservoir over there in the centre of your picture was built to feed the Essington and Great Worley Canal here in Staffordshire. It's a great nature place for birds and animals, and just showing you down up the hill there. They'll just come down that way. Your deer just come into your picture there, the centre of your picture. There's two there, one over the back there by the tree. You can just make out the one in the middle of your picture. Coming up to the signpost here with a little seat on it, little drinking bowl for the dog there. There's a view looking down over the frozen ponds towards the lake. See all the heathers here. It's beautiful with the natural sunlight on it this morning. The ground's quite crispy. A wonderful place for wildlife and nature. We've got some gorse and bracken. All sorts. And I've got these little stiles and gates around to stop the deer from getting out. I'll show you over the fence there. Goes all the way around. In between these silver birch trees here, different elevation. Just come down that little slope there. Nice old oak tree, still got some of its leaves on it there. There's so many dog walkers and runners out here this morning. As you can see, it's really sunny, glorious morning. Bit of warm sunshine, melting all the frost. So I've come round the nature area towards the end to the north side of the lake, where the railway station is. The train runs from this one around the perimeter line all the way around to the boating area. I'll just take you down to the tracks. There's the little signal box there. Oh, it just arrived at the railway line. There's a view down the track looking into the sunshine. The old signal box there, and the old station is now so running a race on here today apparently. The old goods train there. Got the old luggage barrow there, and some old luggage. Beautiful picture of an old train, LMS. See their wood there on the front, just popped inside. Little shop. It's where you would have got your tickets from, and that just leads into the cafe there. Inside the cafe here at the old station. So thanks for watching, guys. Our walk here at Chasewater Country Park in the county of Staffordshire in England. So it's bye from S&B Diaries, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.